Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan for viruses in your Windows PC. So what you want to do is you just have to click on start, then you just have to type for Windows security. So here you will find that app. Just open that app, and from here click on virus and threat protection. Then you can already see one button called quick scan. Quick scan is basically like Windows knows there are some folders and files which these viruses quickly catch on to. So it will scan those files and folders if you go for quick scan. But if you want to scan all the files in your PC, what you can do is you can click on scan options and it will give you more options. Then you can select full scan for scanning all your files and folders for viruses. Or you can do a customized scan, or what you can do, you can also do a offline scan as well. So once you select which type of scan you want to do, then click on scan now, and it will basically scan through all your files and folders and report the viruses if it finds any. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video. Goodbye.